You're watching Channel 1, a multilingual channel. Browse through the playlist for your preferred language, or click on the icon above for the Dutch audio. And this is the cooking series. Hello, Romulo here. Greetings from Holland, your uncle and Kuya in Eindhoven. I'll be cooking again because maybe you've heard there's a background noise at the back. There's another gathering. This time it's Menudillo a la Cubana. And we have complete props. The Cuban flag. And this also reminds me of my tita in Cuba who gave me this. Thank you! Let's start! Ingredients are very simple. Beef, the classic sofrito here, onion and garlic, carrots, potato, what's this? Parsley and rosemary, salt and pepper, and oil for stir frying. Let us slice the ingredients. Let's start with the onions. Could be boring, huh? So while we're slicing or preparing the ingredients, we'll be showing you some scenes from Cuba. I'll be crushing these garlics. It's easier to peel them if we crush them first. Then slice the potatoes and the carrots. Make the carrots slightly finer than the potatoes. Then we do the stir fry or sofrito. We'll start with the onions. And as I always say, until golden brown. No, not golden brown, but until they are translucent. And once they reach that, add the garlic. And while doing this, I'll be showing you the scenes from Cuba. There's a car back in the 1950s. I mean, from the 1950s. Let's continue our stir fry. Let's add the tomatoes. These are canned tomatoes from my own garden, which I canned in the summer. And then that's my picture with the lady in Cuba doing salsa. It's just fitting because that's exactly what we're doing here. Stir frying the salsa or the sauce for this dish. Let's add the ground beef now. That's me walking next to a bike taxi. Finally, what we wanted to do earlier, adding the ground beef. Messy, huh? This is how I work. Then the rosemary, or romeros in Spanish. I don't know the Tagalog term for this, but it's rosemary. It's not usual for us to use this herb. And then the parsley here. It's dried parsley, since I don't have the fresh produce. And tomato paste. I'll be adding 2 of this. You might not believe that this costs only
bag, just the contents, the raisins. The raisins give that sweet flavor to the recipe. It balances the sourness of the tomato sauce. Stir it from time to time until the potato cooks. I think it's ready. Our menudillo alla Cubana. Thank you for watching. This is Romeo, your uncle and kuya in Holland. I hope to see you again next time. And don't forget our next episode. And that will be at the garden. Bye bye.